Let's focus our discussion first on marijuana, okay? Marijuana has a very distinct smell, okay? I'm gonna pass around just a little tiny bit, and I want you all to take a smell so you know when someone is smoking marijuana near you.
Make sure the mood is right, be it day or night. Let your mind take flight, make you feel so right. Pass the marijuana. Pass the marijuana my way. Oh. Magic Buddha, here I come once again. Taking hit number 10 and representing West Marin. I be filling my mind with knowledge as my lungs are filled with smoke. Cough, choking on the potent smoke inside my throat. From Chico, California to my home in the Bay. Say, we like to smoke out every day. I be Northern Lights smoking, hit the joint until I'm choking. My eyes are turning red and I can barely keep them open. The mystic roots be knowing that the way of the walk is strong. Ask say by Irie, Johnny, Kiner, Shane, no say it's on. I got the thin mustache, I need another hit to hash. Cause I smoked on my grass, just got the pipe, I'm full of ash. I'm stanky from the deck and I can only want some more. They call me Cool from Mystic, just like I told you before. Give me the green bud, cause 215 legalized. I be the ganja connoisseur, I like the crazy crystallized. So pass the marijuana my way, and some paper so that I can roll a J. I said you know my feelings, and now I feel okay. Give me such inspiration to look at things another way. I said you help me relax at the Pack it in a boot up on about 2 feet long. Don't have to hit it twice and you still feel nice. Make sure the mood is right, be it day or night. Let your mind take flight, make it feel so right. Pack it in a boot up on about 2 feet long. Don't have to hit it twice and you still feel nice.